This is the water on the front, at the road in the front. It's running off the road, and it was a lot worse than this when it was still raining. Looks like a little river out through here. How fast it's moving. I think so.
Huh?
It's coming up out of that manhole right there. I've never seen this in the 20 years we've been here.
I've seen that once.
I've
Not
never seen it coming in from, like, I've seen it come in here, but not over here like that.
That's amazing.
Yeah, and it's let up now. It was really bad
Oh God.
20 minutes ago.
Did your basement flood?
Not yet.
I did.
Did it?
Oh, wall to wall. Yeah. Not that deep again.
You have a sump pump?
No, I'm a slab.
Well, you ain't got no basement then.
No. So it just sits on the water.
Yeah, this is something.
There's the one drain over there to the lake, but it's completely underwater, sucking like crazy.
Yeah. I can't believe we didn't lose power yet. This is the water right below me here. John's backyard. It's covered with debris, limbs.